Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. We can also change the shape of the box. We use radius. Let me show it to you guys. Border radius, let's say 10 pixels and save it. You see guys, we can give different styles like this, or you can assign percentage value for border radius. Border radius 5%, and let's say see guys, or let's say 20%. You can assign as a pixel or percentage. It's up to you guys. You can create great design by using those options. Let me give you a background color. Let's say gray, save it. Let's make it color white and save it. And border left solid 3 pixel red. You can use sort of design on your web page to point out specific things. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.